Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, they have everything under control? They smile, they laugh, they keep moving forward, and somehow they always seem okay. But the truth is, every person you meet is carrying a story you cannot see. Maybe people think they know you too. They see your face, they hear your voice, they watch you go through your daily life. But they don't see the questions you ask yourself when nobody is around. They don't hear the conversations that happen inside your mind. They don't know how many times you almost gave up, or how many quiet battles you have already survived. The strange thing about life is that the most important part of your journey is almost always invisible. Nobody sees the mornings when getting out of bed feels difficult. Nobody sees the evenings when you wonder if your effort is leading anywhere. Nobody sees the small promises you keep to yourself, or the courage it takes to begin again after a disappointing day. People only see the finished picture. They never see the thousands of tiny pieces that slowly came together to create it. Perhaps that is why so many people feel alone. They compare their hidden struggles with someone else's visible success. They believe everyone else is stronger, happier, or moving faster, when in reality, everyone is fighting a battle that the world knows nothing about. And maybe you have been doing the same. Maybe you have been judging yourself for not being where you want to be. Maybe you have been questioning your progress. Maybe you have been wondering if all your effort really matters. If those thoughts have ever crossed your mind, then this episode is for you. Because today, I don't want to talk about the version of you that smiles for photographs, or the version that other people think they know. Today, I want to talk about the version of you that keeps going after disappointment. The version that chooses hope over fear. The version that quietly grows while nobody is watching. Because one day, the world may admire the person you become, but only you will ever know the silent journey that made that person possible. And perhaps that unseen version of you is the most beautiful story you will ever write. So let's begin. The story nobody knows. There is something interesting about human life. We spend so much time trying to understand other people, yet we rarely stop to understand ourselves. We learn someone's name, we learn what they do, where they live, what they enjoy, but we almost never see the quiet world they carry inside. Every person has a private story, one that is never fully spoken and never completely understood. If someone looked at your life from the outside, they would probably describe it in just a few sentences. They might say, "This person is a student. This person goes to work every day. This person is learning English. This person seems quiet." But your real story could never fit into a few simple words. Your real story is written in moments that no one else has ever seen. It is written in the mornings when you woke up feeling tired but still chose to continue. It is written in the evenings when you questioned yourself but opened the book anyway. It is written in the silent moments when you wanted to stop, but something inside you whispered, "Just one more step." That quiet voice may not sound very powerful, but sometimes it changes an entire life. Many people believe that big moments create big changes. They wait for the perfect opportunity, the perfect idea, or the perfect day. They imagine that one morning they will wake up feeling completely different, more confident, more disciplined, more successful. But life is usually much quieter than that. Real change often begins on an ordinary day, a day that feels almost forgettable, a day when nothing exciting happens, a day when you simply make one better decision than yesterday. You choose to practice instead of making another excuse. You choose to speak one English sentence, even if it isn't perfect. You choose to finish a small task instead of leaving it for tomorrow. These decisions seem too small to matter, yet they slowly become the foundation of a completely different life. The difficult part is that nobody celebrates these moments. No one claps because you practiced for 20 minutes. No one congratulates you because you controlled your frustration. No one notices that today you gave up a little less quickly than you did last week. To the world, nothing has changed. But inside you, everything has started to move. Imagine an artist standing in front of a blank canvas. On the first day, there are only a few small brushstrokes. If someone walks into the room, they may think, there is nothing special here. They cannot imagine the beautiful picture that is slowly taking shape. Your life often looks the same. The first few days of learning, the first few weeks of trying, the first few months of building a new habit. They rarely look impressive. From the outside, it seems like nothing is happening. But every small action is adding another brushstroke, another color, another detail, another piece of the picture that only time will reveal. Perhaps this is why patience is so difficult. We can see today's effort, but we cannot yet see tomorrow's reward. And because we cannot see it, we begin to doubt it. We ask ourselves, is this really worth it? Am I getting anywhere? Why does everyone else seem so much further ahead? Those questions are natural. Almost everyone asks them. But there is another question that is far more powerful. Instead of asking, why am I not there yet? Ask yourself, who am I becoming while I walk this road? Because your destination is only one part of your journey. The person you become while moving toward it, that is the part that lasts. Success may change your circumstances, but the journey changes your character, and character stays with you long after the applause has ended. There is something beautiful about becoming stronger in ways that other people cannot measure. You become more patient, a little calmer, a little kinder to yourself, a little more willing to begin again. These changes are almost invisible. They cannot be counted. They cannot be photographed, but they quietly change the way you experience your entire life. One day, people may notice your confidence. They may admire your success. They may compliment your English. They may even say, you make it look easy. They will see the results, but they will never see the hundreds of ordinary moments that quietly built it. And perhaps that is exactly how the most meaningful growth is meant to happen. Not in front of a crowd, not under bright lights, but in the quiet moments where the version of you that nobody sees is slowly becoming the person you were always capable of being. There are some victories that no one will ever celebrate, not because they are unimportant, but because nobody knows they happened. They leave no trophy, no certificate, and no photograph. They exist only in quiet moments between you and the person you are slowly becoming. Think about yesterday for a moment. There was probably a small decision that nobody noticed. Maybe you wanted to give up, but you continued for 5 more minutes. Maybe you felt afraid to speak English, but you said one sentence anyway. Maybe you were disappointed, but instead of quitting, you promised yourself that you would try again tomorrow. To the world, these moments look ordinary, but they are anything but ordinary. Sometimes we imagine courage as something dramatic. We picture someone standing in front of a crowd, giving a powerful speech, or doing something extraordinary. But real courage often looks much quieter. Sometimes courage is simply opening your notebook after a long, exhausting day. Sometimes it is pressing play on another English lesson when your mind tells you that you're too tired. Sometimes it is choosing to begin, even when you know the beginning will feel uncomfortable. Those moments may never become memories that other people talk about, but they slowly become the foundation of your future. One of the biggest mistakes we make is believing that visible success is the only proof of progress. We forget that every visible result is built on hundreds of invisible choices. Before anyone speaks English fluently, they spend months searching for words. Before anyone sounds confident, they spend a long time feeling uncertain. Before anyone looks successful, they spend countless days wondering if their hard work will ever pay off. The world usually meets people at the finish line. It rarely sees the road that brought them there. Imagine watching a movie that starts in the final scene. You see the hero smiling. You see the happy ending. Everything looks easy. But if you missed the beginning, you would never understand the pain, the fear, the mistakes, or the sacrifices that made that ending meaningful. Life is exactly the same. People often compare their beginning to someone else's ending. They compare today's struggle with another person's success. But they are comparing two completely different chapters of two completely different stories. That comparison will never be fair. Your journey belongs to you. It has its own pace, its own lessons, its own timing, and perhaps that is what makes it valuable. There will be days when you feel strong, and there will be days when even the smallest task feels heavy. Those difficult days do not erase your progress. They simply remind you that growth is not a straight line. Think about the ocean. Some days the water is calm. Other days the waves are high and the wind is strong. Yet the ocean never forgets how to be the ocean. You are not defined by one difficult day. You are not defined by one mistake. You are not defined by one moment of fear. You are shaped by what you choose to do after those moments. That is where quiet victories are born. Not when everything goes according to plan, but when life becomes difficult and you decide not to walk away. There is another battle that almost everyone fights, but very few people talk about. It is the battle between who you are today and who you hope to become. Sometimes the distance between those two people feels overwhelming. You look at your goals and they seem impossibly far away. You wonder if you will ever become more confident. You wonder if you will ever speak English naturally. You wonder if all your effort is enough. Those thoughts can feel very real. But remember something important. The person you hope to become is not created in one extraordinary moment. That person is built through hundreds of ordinary choices. Every time you practice instead of procrastinating, you become that person. Every time you choose patience instead of giving up, you become that person. Every time you stand back up after disappointment, you become that person. Slowly, quietly, without even realizing it, you are becoming someone new. One day, people may look at your life and admire your confidence. They may notice your calm voice. They may wonder how you became so disciplined. What they will not see are the countless silent battles you fought when nobody was watching. They will not see the evenings when you almost quit. They will not see the mornings when you chose hope over doubt. They will not see the moments when you believed in yourself, even if only for a few seconds. But you will remember, because those invisible moments are not just part of your story. They are your story. And perhaps the strongest version of you is not the one standing confidently in front of the world. Perhaps it is the one who quietly refused to give up, long before anyone believed they could succeed. Before we finish today, I want you to remember one simple truth. Not everything that matters can be seen. The strongest roots grow beneath the ground. The brightest stars appear in the darkest sky. And some of the most beautiful changes in life happen so quietly that even you may not notice them at first. So don't be discouraged if your journey feels invisible today. Don't lose hope, because nobody is clapping for your effort. The world usually notices the result, but your character is built long before the result arrives. If you are learning English, remember this every time you sit down to practice. Every sentence you repeat, every mistake you make, every lesson you finish is becoming part of a voice that will one day speak with confidence. People may only hear your fluent English, but only you will remember the quiet evenings, the small victories, and the moments when giving up felt easier than continuing. Those moments matter more than you realize, because they are quietly shaping a version of you that is stronger, calmer, and wiser than yesterday. So be patient with yourself. Keep showing up. Keep taking small steps. And trust that the person you are becoming is worth every moment of this journey. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope today's episode reminded you that your invisible progress is still real. Take care of yourself. Keep learning. Keep growing. And never stop believing in the version of you that the world cannot see yet. I'll speak to you again in the next episode. Until then, be kind to yourself and keep moving forward. Bye for now.